Here's how to fix Stremio failed to fetch. First is go to the library options of your device. Afterwards, from the library option, scroll down until you see there the Preferences folder. Now what you need to do is to click on the Preferences folder. Under the Preferences folder, scroll down once again until you see there the System Configuration. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you have to see there three files: Preferences plist, Network Interface, and com.apple airport. Copy the three files and go ahead and remove or trash it. Now for you to be able to trash or delete it, put on the Finder password and click OK. Afterwards, restart your device. And now, go ahead and see if you have already fixed your Stremio failed to fetch.